Toxic people usually just want to be happy, feel they are right, have no empathy and sympathy, have difficulty apologizing, like to control and manipulate others, like to belittle and belittle, like to incite, and many other negative things. First, break the conversation. Choose to stop talking to people who are toxic to you. This way can help you stay away from it. When you're doing something, pretend you're busy and don't have the past response. Okay, fine. Or, I already know that, to end the conversation. Second, don't really care about that person. Don't be surprised and just assume she is not near you. For example, ignoring the conversation that she wants to start and not paying attention to what she wants to convey. She will think that you ignore her and don't like her being around you. Third, don't be curious about the person's problem. When you're curious about her, she will think that you care about her. Then from there you will not be able to run away from the toxic environment itself. Ignore her and let her deal with her own problems and you only think about yourself. Next, don't follow their game. Toxic people are very famous for their attitude of manipulating others as they please. They will start by feeling good about themselves and end up criticizing other people's lives. If you are a sensitive person and have a weak mentality, you will definitely get caught up in the beat of the game. 5. Always remember that you are valuable. Fight them if they hurt you. It doesn't matter if they are hurt by us because the main thing is ourselves and not others. Show them that they are just a nuisance that bothers and interferes with other people's lives. Then in this way you can survive from entering a toxic environment by keeping the boundaries between each other's lives. 6. Leave them alone. If they invite you to compete, then say no and leave them. This will only hurt your feelings and yourself if she is better than you. They just feel they are better than anyone else, but it's okay to ignore them and choose to leave. 7. Lean on positive people. For your information, the people around us can channel their energy to us. If that person has positive energy, then what we get is good things, but on the contrary, if that person has negative energy, then we will get bad things. Then rely on positive people to fight negative and toxic environment. 8. Speak up. There is no harm in reprimanding the behavior of toxic people. It could be that person is a friend of our best friend, or our own family. You can reprimand a person by saying that his behavior is not good and disturbs the comfort of others and is not even good for yourself because others will easily feel uncomfortable with that behavior. Then from there we can even change someone's bad side into something better. Therefore, avoid yourself from hanging out with toxic people or becoming a toxic person yourself. I hope my sharing this time is useful. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.